All right, we're here unboxing the April 2019 surprise from Smile, Create, Repeat. Here we are, we have our pencil, Smile, Create, Repeat pencil. Oh, the possibilities, so you know where you got these amazing supplies. We have the April creative card telling you about the amazing supplies and tools you have in this box. And then on the back is a step-by-step demonstration and inspiration, so it gives you some idea of what you maybe can create, but you don't need to follow along if you don't want to. Just use them as you see fit. But this also just gives you some pointers and tips and some techniques and ideas on what to do with your new supplies. All right, we have this Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen, big brush tip, you can see that, and I'll show you compared to another size pen how big it is. See, look at that. So it's big. Then we have this Le Pen, another brush pen. We have our Kimberly pencil 5H, so that's going to be a harder lead. It'll draw lighter lines. And then we have these colors. It might be a little different in your box, but you got two of the Staedtler, I'm going to say. Dual tip, so each one has a bullet tip, chisel tip, bullet tip, and then a fine point tip on the other end. So we use those both sides in the demonstration to show you different ways to use those tools. I think I'm missing something. Here we are. And then this Artline drawing system pen, and this is just a fine liner pen, but we got a really, let's see, is that going to focus? No, really fine point on that one, because I wanted to show the comparison and the contrast in the thick brush and then the other different nibs on those other tools. All right, we have some paper here, multimedia paper, so it'll work well with the markers, the pencils, the pens, and all that. We have our Smile, Create, Repeat sticker and our two postcards showing some artwork we've done. So there you go, that is the April 2019 surprise from Smile, Create, Repeat. We hope you like it. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments or send us an email. You can learn more about us at smilecreaterepeat.com. And of course, you can join and get this monthly box delivered to you right to your home, or give it as a great gift. Thank you, and remember to smile, create, repeat.